Hello everyone, are you wondering how often you should replace your bike helmet? Let's find out. Replacing your bike helmet regularly is essential for maintaining your safety while cycling. Here are some guidelines to help you determine when it's time for a new helmet. Firstly, consider the age of your helmet. Most manufacturers recommend replacing your helmet every 3 to 5 years, even if it hasn't been involved in a crash. Over time, the materials in the helmet can degrade, compromising its ability to protect your head in the event of an impact. If your helmet has been involved in a crash, it's crucial to replace it immediately, even if there are no visible signs of damage. The impact can weaken the structure of the helmet, making it less effective at absorbing shock and protecting your head in the future. Inspect your helmet regularly for signs of wear and tear, including cracks, dents, or frayed straps. If you notice any damage, it's time to replace your helmet, as it may not provide adequate protection in the event of a crash. Additionally, consider replacing your helmet if it no longer fits properly or if you've made any significant adjustments to the straps or padding. A helmet that doesn't fit correctly may not stay securely in place during a crash, reducing its effectiveness at protecting your head. Finally, keep in mind that exposure to sunlight, heat, and humidity can accelerate the degradation of your helmet's materials. If you frequently ride in hot or sunny conditions, or if you store your helmet in a hot car or garage, you may need to replace it more frequently. By following these guidelines and regularly inspecting your helmet for signs of wear and tear, you can ensure that you're always riding with optimal protection for your head. Remember, your helmet is your first line of defense against serious head injuries, so it's essential to keep it in good condition and replace it as needed. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.